So we will see the next type of operator, which is the assignment operator. So there are three types of operators used for assigning the values to vectors. So let's just try this. F1, C, okay. Let's copy this, okay, to change the way. Let's print F1. So it's 2, 3, 4. Let's create the vector F2 and let's change the way how it can be assigned. Let's print F2. Now let's change this also. Let's change it to F3 and I'll just change this also. So let's print F3. So here you can see there are three ways to assign any operator. So let's take the another way around. Let's create another vector. Okay, let's assign this to y. Now let's print y. This is also working very fine. The next type of operators are the miscellaneous operators. So these operators are used for specific purpose and not for any general or mathematical or logical computation. So one of them is a colon operator. So it is used to create a sequence. So let's create a sequence using colon operator. Here it has created sequence. The next operator is the in operator. So it is a very important operator, percentage. So this is how you use this operator. So this operator is used to identify if an element belongs to a vector or not. So let's create a vector. Okay. So I will check whether we have b1 and b2 in the vector v or not. So let's just do v1. Sorry, it's b1, and I'll use this in operator, percentage in percentage and v. So let's check whether b is present or not. So yes, b1 is present in v. Let's check for the b2. Let's do this. So since 14 is not present in v, hence we are getting false.